Then let's place the beam on the second floor. Go to level 2, structure, beam, family, universal beam. Go to steel, connection, select this, shift and select, add everything, then OK. Let's continue placing the main beam here on the side and secondary beam on the middle. Go back to level 2, beam, copy, so the same procedure again. You can just select this column and the beam, go to steel, select connection, type angle, so you will have a double-sided angle here. So again, copy this on all those beams that we have newly fixed. While copying the angles, you can notice that this beam is going inside this column. What you can do here is you can select the beam and the column, and on the steel button here, choose this scope button, and automatically Revit will adjust the beam on the face of the column. For example, this one, remove first the connectors, select the beam, select the column, steel, cope, and Revit will adjust your beam. Then you are now ready to continue placing your angles and connectors.